I hate this guy. I hate this guy. I hate this guy. I hate this guy.
This one loading bay is holding everyone back. So I'm just adding a bit of pressure with the horn. Add the pressure, do you know what I mean? Add the pressure. Are you sure? I think I have enough. I think there's enough. We can do it, man. We can do it.
Yeah, if you wanna drive. Yeah, but you won't blow.
I'm telling you. I'm telling you, I'll make it. Let me add some. I'll add some more pressure.